Wow.
T-A-R-F. I think I spelled that right.
Sideways. That was boat tour. Wow. Can my phone even see that far? Oh.
Oh my lord. You could have stopped me.
I thought I was gonna die.
Gaining momentum here.
You don't have a wheelchair.
Yeah.
I love this song. Wisconsin Dells Upper Boat Tour.
Now, throughout our tour today, if you look on either side of you, you will see this special type of sandstone. That's because this type of rock is extremely porous, meaning it holds onto water quite well. Now, this time, if you look ahead of the boat and to the left, if you look at the tree line, look at one of the tallest trees in the tree line.
Bald eagles, guys.
Because it is only about 30 feet deep at the Marquette.
Now, I want you guys to go here, so I'm going to stop recording. Bye now.